Okay, yeah.
Market timing is Fari, not me.
Now, let's get the truth of the matter. The folks on the floor, these guys are not concerned with what's happening next week or what's happening next month or next year. These guys are worried about next 10 seconds or 20 seconds.
I'll give you a great story.
No.
I'll give you a great story about people that traded in pits. It's changed now because of the market, but when you didn't have all this technology and you just had pits of 50, 60 guys.
But now it's shorter even because of technology.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But, I mean, when you had 50, 60 guys in the pit, you know, it wasn't a question of when you had 50 or 60 guys in the pit and, you know, someone's asking you, where is it going? Everybody start laughing because basically all you do when you trade instinctively in a pit, and obviously with all your skills, is you react. A pit trader reacts. He doesn't prognosticate. He may prognosticate with building a position towards that level that he believes it may go, but most of what he does during a day, and what I did was just constantly, I day traded back and forth constantly. I arbed as much as I could. When I couldn't arb a position, I called that my junk. And at the end of the day, I had a lot of junk. And then when I looked at the junk, I found a way to hedge the junk, both from managing the theta/vega, so neutralize it if I wanted it to, or if I didn't have enough junk to protect myself, I found ways to buy the wings to protect me in case something bizarre would happen. But you're always reacting. You're really not prognosticating. The reason why I do this with Fari is because he's tremendous at prognostication with all his technology and the way he has all this experience in the market. He gives you a good insight into where, by looking at the dynamics of a chart.
Because I'm on the other side of the curve. You're in a pit looking at the next 3 ticks, you know, and next 500 contracts. I was in California on that water wondering what I'm going to do next month.
Yeah, and so that's why we talked about putting the two together. And so far, it's been a lot of fun, and it's worked very well.
A lot of a learning experience for me. So
yeah. So I mean, what you want to do and what you're doing here is you want to pick your spot to put your capital to work, and you want to make sure that you're doling pieces of it out at a time and not putting it all into one trade. And you want to use the information that I pass along or Fari passes along as an aid or a tool to help make the probability of you being successful. I mean, let's face facts. When people talk to me about trading, I tell them really simple. It's something that you have a 50-50 probability right from the get-go. You either have a choice to buy or sell. You've got a 50% chance to be right or wrong, right there, flipping a coin. What we're trying to do is keep changing that probability to where it's more to your benefit of being right. And using the tools that Fari helps you with and the tools that I try to help you with the different strategies and the options, brings that probability of success higher.